What I wish I knew about tornadoes when I was younger, these facts will blow your mind. Let's dive in. Tornadoes can spin up to 300 miles per hour. That's faster than a Formula One car. Did you know the United States gets about 1,200 tornadoes each year? That's more than any other country on Earth. And here's a shocker. Tornadoes can actually happen over water too. They're called waterspouts. Ever heard of a tornado alley? It's a region in the central US where tornadoes are super common, but tornadoes can happen almost anywhere. Always have a safety plan ready. And get this, the longest lasting tornado lasted over 3 hours and traveled more than 200 miles. Imagine the power and destruction. So next time you hear about a tornado warning, take it seriously. These storms are no joke. Stay safe, weather watchers, and keep your eyes on the skies.